In the world of rallying legends, names like the Audi Quattro, Lancia Delta Integrale, and the Renault 5 Turbo often dominate the headlines. But tucked quietly in the shadows is one of the most underrated and exclusive hot hatches ever built, the Peugeot 205 Turbo 16. This Group B monster from the 1980s isn't just rare, it's practically a unicorn on wheels. And now, one incredibly preserved example is heading to auction, possibly fetching a jaw-dropping $350,000. Let's wind the clock back to the golden age of rally racing, the mid-1980s. Group B was the Wild West of motorsport, where automakers built extreme, fire-breathing machines with only one thing in mind: domination. To qualify for Group B, manufacturers had to produce at least 200 road-legal versions of their competition cars. That's exactly what Peugeot did with the 205 Turbo 16, a mid-engine, all-wheel drive monster disguised as a humble city hatch. Peugeot wasn't playing games. This car wasn't just about appearances. Under its skin was serious performance hardware. The heart of the beast lies just behind the driver's seat, a turbocharged 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine pushing out 197 horsepower and 188 pounds-feet of torque. That might not seem insane today, but remember, this little warrior weighs under 1,000 kilograms, or around 2,200 pounds. Mated to a 5-speed manual and all-wheel drive, the 205 T16 was a rally weapon for the streets. The car was a huge success. Peugeot clinched back-to-back WRC titles in 1985 and 1986, cementing the 205 T16's legacy in motorsport history. But what makes this upcoming auction even more exciting is the condition and rarity of the example going under the hammer. Handled by renowned auction house Bonhams, this particular unit has just 3,216 kilometers on the odometer, making it one of the lowest mileage examples in existence. Since being acquired by its current owner in January 2022, over $200,000 has been invested in restoration and mechanical upgrades. New suspension, radiator, clutch, alternator, and upgraded coolant lines ensure this car is not only historically significant, but also in top-running condition. The dedication to keeping this car in pristine shape is a testament to its collector value and the passion of those who recognize its greatness. All 200 road-going units were finished in the same color and came exclusively in left-hand drive. This uniformity simplified production, but today it adds to the model's mystique and appeal. It's also what makes this Peugeot so desirable among collectors, many of whom see it not just as a car, but as a rolling piece of rally art. So why might someone pay Ferrari money for a boxy French hatchback? Because this isn't just any car. This is a homologation special born from one of the most legendary eras in motorsport and built to conquer dirt, snow, and tarmac. It's raw, it's rare, and it's radically cool. As modern hot hatches grow heavier, more digital, and less involving, the Peugeot 205 Turbo 16 remains a pure driving machine. No fancy driver aids, no touchscreens, just mechanical grip, turbo lag, and the roar of a rally-bred powertrain. For purists, that's worth more than any supercar badge. So when this rare Peugeot crosses the auction block, it won't just be a sale. It will be a celebration of an era when automakers dared to be wild. And for one lucky buyer, it will be the chance to own a legend that still makes even the GR Yaris look like a toy.